No. Some of cutty in the Kim. Some of cutty. Before you want to come for. So after cutty before the one I feel like they want it. Alright guys, we're here back on the next video. You see me? As you see with plantain, what am I gonna do? Take a while guys. No, and a porridge I'm gonna make. No, I'm not fry. No, I'm not press it. Take a guess. Alright, think you can guess. I'm gonna make fritters or fritters you want to call it. Jamaican people call it fritters. You see me? Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, peel it, grate it, and make a nice fritters with it, you see me? I'm gonna take on along the journey with me. Yeah. I'm taking along the journey. I keep on the same way, right? I'm gonna do the video tomorrow because I'm catching a saltfish here, so I'm gonna get it. It instead. You see me? Yeah. People, we are burn up YouTube, we are overload YouTube, be a video, back to back to back to back. You see me? I'm showing this, yo, I'm worthy and I really want this. I'm showing consistency, I'm showing aggression because man, to video them back to back to back. So I want to do, I want to share video them man, help me grow. Subscribe if you don't subscribe it, touch the bell, leave a like, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about green plantain fritters. You see me? I said before, if a 10 person live in a household, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 amount of person live in a household or live in a yard, just tell them to say to subscribe to the channel or take them phone and subscribe. When you go out and see a friend name or a cousin or whoever, tell them say yo, subscribe to Yard Style Cooking and Adventure because I'll be an epic video forward. Enough epic adventure forward, you see me? So just give me some time that soon far back, you see me? I soon start go river. I soon start go sea. Everywhere. Go hiking and all that. You see me? So just subscribe and stay tuned. Follow the IG. Because before I actually post it on IG, I snippet always post. What am I say? Before I post it on YouTube, I snippet always post on IG. So who follow on IG, you can see what I go on before and drop on YouTube. So if you want to keep up to date and want to go on, just follow the IG. Jeff876, that's my personal IG page and Yard Style Adventures. The link to the page them in the description, so scroll down, click it, go over there and give me a follow up on the 2 page them. You see me? Yeah. We're burn up YouTube guys. We overload YouTube. Be a video. Back to back to back to back. Yeah. So what shall I go on now? Now catch a fire and then link on the back, you see me? So this one come back. You don't know. Throw them all. Ashes there. You see me? Yeah. And drop this little sun. Yeah, sun come out. Too hot. And the light gonna mess up, you see me? See what I do now? Get the coal now. Use this catch a fire same speed. So catch a fire and then link them back guys. Yeah guys, see? Fire catcher now, so ready for the pot. But I'm not putting the pot until we done mix. I'm gonna mix up, you see me? Yeah. See plate I'm gonna use. Don't know. Here, put the sugar, put the sweetness night. My peel this I know. Yeah, so my peel this I'm checking back with because I want to hold the camera, so I see what I'm going. So peeling time. Sometimes I like peeling things because it's stain, but when you don't peel now, you put some oil on your hand and you wash off your hand because oil take off the stain. See? That's it. So I almost can ripe. If you cut it now, I put it in ripe, it will stay too long, so might as well make it stay on the tree. And fit some more, so time to grate it now. So we done great and thing. I'm link with the back. So see what going on, people. What I'm gonna do? I put the ripe on the house, so I get it and put it with this. You see me? Cause it's kinda small. Little bit this. You see me? And then we throw in the flour. Yeah man, see Plantain now guys. What am I doing with the little spoon? I don't know what I'm doing with the little spoon. Anyways, I crush out them now. Get them get a bigger spoon and get them a crush. And then blink on the back. Yeah guys, so see buttons you know? Yeah. So as one now, at the flour. I don't know we can put the ripe at night. Man I put no sugar in it again because the piece of ripe I put night, I broke the sweetness already, so I'm not put no much sugar. You see me? So this one flour now. So see what going on guys. See the water here. This ready. All about out. So I'll get this thing ready quick and fast. So I'm soon leaving back. I'm about this quick and fast because the fire ready and burn out. You see me? So but I'll link on the back when we don't mix out this. Yeah guys, this is how I go on now. It's done mix out, right? Pot pan fire go on hot, so as soon as it hot, I throw in the fritters. I throw in a little more sugar now. That's what's good now because I can't make it too sweet still. You see me? I'm not really expert on the fritters baking still, you know. My sister Kim. Feel special to that. Fritters, fritters, most Jamaicans say. Saltfish fritters, banana fritters, sugar fritters, or just the flour, sugar and salt to use. Yeah. But take my good one. Fritters series, you know. You see what I go on. There's so much way you can cook. And I'm showing them where they see me. Some say, oh, I don't kill myself, I'm come with them instead of cooking there, but you have to experiment man, and try things, try new things. You can't cook it. You want the all the while and then you see, oh, boy, I can't buy food, I'm tired of food. But you eat the norm, the same thing. You see me? The Albu Jamaicans, we don't eat chicken, the right show. Chicken or turkey neck or callaloo or pap chow. And with that now, dumpling rice. So to the rice, tomorrow dumpling. Then rice again, then dumpling again. And maybe one soup, and maybe little soup one time per week. You see me? But most Jamaicans they can't afford to cook a nice soup because to cook a nice pot of soup, it take money, it take enough things. You see me? Okay, I want. Alright guys, so when you cook a pot of soup, right? You want a nice pot of pumpkin soup. You want pumpkin. And depending on how much person you cook for, you can't put little bit of pumpkin. You want pumpkin. And pumpkin almost 200 a pound. You want carrot. You want chicken foot. Chicken foot expensive, 150 a pound. You see me? And sometimes you put a cheap one chicken foot in your soup, 2 pounds, depending on how much I cook for. Right? You want chicken. Chicken expensive now. 250 a pound are the cheapest. You have 290. You have 300, so between 250 and 300 a pound for chicken. Right? You want yam. You want dasheen. You want cocoa, kind of body part them thing there, no? Want to do plant. Cocoa. You want sweet potato. All them things there. You want Maggi season. Maggi soup it up. The cotton ogle them, yeah. What again you want? You want powder season. Can you take the Maggi season night soup, same speed, you see me? You want scale and time, so cook a knife for the soup. Very expensive. For pea soup you cook. God help you. God help us all. Because beef there, expensive as shit. As shit. You see me? When him pigtail, very very expensive. You can buy that. If you want 2 pound of pigtail, you look at $1,000 more. You see me? If you cook soup peas, you don't say pigtail and soup peas. But that's when I buy the cookie. You see me? So most Jamaicans don't eat chicken, or dumpling, rice. Dumpling, rice. You see me? And eat them bigger chicken, brown stew chicken, curry chicken. No one like fried chicken. They don't experiment to try new things. You see me? So since boy I try food, we can buy food, but are you not experiment to try new things? Cook out of the box, man. Sit down and make it alright. I try that way today. And if it don't work out, you tweak it to your liking, you see me? Because so you cook something now and you say, you know, say, I want this dough, you can tweak it and perfection it, you see me? But most Jamaicans say, boy, nice certain things. If an all-in-one is very, very, very nice. Enough man say, boy, I mean like that, that's too cranny. We say it, rundown, yes. So a difference. All-in-one and rundown are the same thing. Only difference, you cook the dumpling, yam, or whatever, in everything in one pot. You see me? But just say go still. Guys, the oil hot now. You see me? So when you do it, I'm showing you what I go on and put it in the fritters them, you see me? Because you know you can smell the oil into that. Yeah. So that may smell now. So I'm linking back one time that done. So soon come back. So I'm showing the dumpling now, guys. And next soup now, I'm gonna say you want all breadfruit because some people like breadfruit. You see me? Yeah. And you don't know I put dumpling in the same way. You see me? So cook a nice pot a soup also very expensive, so most people person now cook soup on a regular. You see me? And them now cook soup piece on a regular. Yeah. And no person are kind of free to buy beef, pork, and mutton. You see me? Because they're expensive and them are too wicked. They might kill someone breed out tag, someone breed out goat, someone breed out cow. You see me? They're wicked. Someone person now buy it. You see me? If you have a goat and the dog bite him up, you can't sell it to buy him same me. You see me? If man comes to a goat dead at your place, they want to see me if you cut up and sell. They're wicked. You see me? I like no people. So showing you now. So I'm going to look camera for me. I love that about now. Pat can set slant away, see it? Must add the right here, so. Yeah guys, so when them the fry now, but I put it in the rest. Come have all it more. The fry, you see it? All it more the fry same way. Look like too much oil in my pot, guys. So first stir now, guys. Burn up though. You know them easier to burn because the sugar in them. Yeah. And the rest of them have good light in, I swear. Come put it. No good lighting, but my link came back one time. We don't fry everything, you see me? Because as you know, there's not much to show right now. So my link came back one time. Everything done fry. So come back. So yeah guys, so second set gone in, right? And see the first set here. Yeah. Man, look guys. Nice. You know? Let them leave me till they finish back. I feel like I'm hungry. This is my breakfast. Than Pepsi. You know? Hot CMA still. You know Pepsi? I lead in soda in Jamaica right now. Leading selling soda. Alright guys, so I'll close up the video right here, so you see me? Yeah man. I think I'm going further with the video. Because, you know, there's not much more to show. You see me? If it has done, it was a success. Me like it, everybody love it. You see me? Yeah. This ripe and green pot mix, very very nice, delicious. So, but you can definitely try it. Even green plantain you can use. Remember green plantain? Green banana one you can use. So, we not necessarily have to use plantain. If we don't have green banana, one you can use also. You see me? Yeah man. I'm say not too sweet, not too fresh. Ripe on the body line. You see me? Yeah. So, want to like the video. Want to leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about the video here. Come on, people. Come on. Let the channel grow. Share the video. Share the video. I'm down 90 subs now. Yeah, man. So, share the video. Take somebody phone in your whole soul. Subscribe to the channel. You see me? Tell somebody about me. Wanna go anywhere you go. Yo, you see? You know the virgin, yeah? Subscribe to the channel, man. Very interested. You see me? Tell somebody about your style cooking and adventure. Come on, people, help me grow, help me grow. Come on. We burn up YouTube people. We burn up YouTube. We overload YouTube. You see me? Be a video. Videos back to back to back. You see me? So do right guys. Follow the IG. Links to page them in the description. So go over there and follow me. See me. You see me? Yeah man. Come guys. Come guys. Man, stress it, man. Stress it. Help me grow, man. Help me grow. Help me grow. Like the video, man. Like the video. Unlike the video. YouTube algorithm actually like the video. Actually push the video, man. Come on. Help me grow. Like the video. So the video here can get recommended to other people. You see me? Share the video, man. Share it out. Share it out. Share it out. Come on, people. Help me grow, man. When I'm more so. I know some negative things when I share it out. Some fortunate when I share it out. But why would I somehow do something positive when I can't share it out? Share it out, man. Something good, man. Help a nigga grow. Help a nigga reach him goal. Remember saying, everybody want to heaven, don't? And them say, every good thing you do, still in heaven. So, go and bank up the good things in heaven. You see me? So, share the video, man. Subscribe, man. So, I'm catch you in our next video. Right? I feel like we do our next video today. Yeah, because sometimes I shoot a 2-3 video a day. Yeah, man. So, do right, man. My close video, right? My close video now. So,